Hello and welcome to another episode on our YouTube channel, Rescoli by Carlo. As you can see right beside me, there is this wardrobe which has just been newly redecorated to our client's specifications. Basically, this wardrobe here was very worn down. Probably it spent some time outside because it's made much of it is plywood, 3-ply, and it had a lot of damage. Some of it we managed to take care of, and some of it we decided to leave it as part of its history. So there's parts in here, for example, where the damage is still there, but we used it to our own advantage. So, what was the process of this wardrobe? We started off by giving it a very good clean, and then we had a lot of sanding. Basically, it needed it because it had some stain, some form of stain on it, which when touched, it was very sticky. Then we used plum pudding and nougat from the Frenchic furniture paint laser range. So the plum pudding was used as the base here, and then we used nougat here. And then we started doing the stripes. Obviously we used blue tape to cover the areas with nougat. The nougat underneath we did also some crackle. So when you see it close enough, you see that there is some crackle over here as well. When we finished the stripes, we removed the tape, obviously, and then we did a darker coat of plum pudding mixed with loof. So basically we have a darker shade of plum here. After that, we started preparing these molds from bendy molds before sticking. So we painted them before. We did some Frenchic metallics. Well, the gold is very old gold looking. We use it on the molds over here, and as well on the knobs. And before sticking the molds, we did some stenciling on this side here. Basically, the stenciling gave another dimension to these two parts, to these two side parts of this wardrobe. When we finished the stenciling, we let it dry, then we stuck the molds. What did we do in the front? So basically we used 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of image transfer. Basically we used different flowers, and then we just did the normal procedure to apply the image transfers. Afterwards, what we did, we went with the browning wax all over. Basically, the nougat here, just one small tip we did here is that on the nougat, on the stripes of the nougat, we used the Funky Dora, just sponged a little bit on the nougat with Funky Dora, so that we had a little bit of patina all over the stripes. When finished, we did the brown wax all over, and we removed some of the brown wax on the lighter stripes so that it has different shades of cream. So basically this is the process. We did some Frenchic over here as well, but just to have that littlest sparkle all around the door. And then obviously we also did the drawer underneath with stripes, both colors, and browning wax, and we also did the inside of the wardrobe. We did it all in plum pudding. Let me show you. Hopefully nothing falls on me, but this is the wardrobe with plum pudding on the inside. So basically this is the wardrobe here on the inside. These are all our clients' specifications. Basically here you can see our makeover. So I hope you liked this episode. What's happening now, I'm going to show you close-ups of all the work we did, and if you have any questions to ask, please ask under this video. We will help you out. Obviously this is not everybody's cup of tea, but it's definitely a cup of tea for our client. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for these innovative and new episodes every week. Ta-ta! See you next time! Newly redecorated to our customers. But take 3.